What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a minute since I dropped a video on my bullies, but you know, I just been waiting on for when we have puppies, you feel me? But you know how these bully puppies work. Now, it'd be hard for it to keep a litter on the ground, but I got a litter, and I just need to show y'all this. Look at that. Oh yeah, he's so big. It's a boy. Look at that head. Oh my God. See, look, this is the one I'm worried for her handle. Female. She gonna be short though if she survive. This is the one I'm worried for. She still got her head on. She tiny, bro. He got this is another huge one. This is a female. This is a boy. Check him out. We located in Florida. Which one I ain't showed? I don't think I showed these two. Probably did. Did I just show? I think this is the last one. But yeah though, man, my main Instagram, DM me at Yahchina. Then my Instagram for the bullies, Total Domination Kennel. I think I gotta put that in there. But yeah, y'all follow me at Yahchina too, man. Bullies, man. I really hope this little survive though, cause this one right here my favorite already. Jit a beast. And I want this one to survive too. She gotta survive. Look at her. Look at her scratch. Let me fit this one down. I don't think y'all see it. She gonna be a beast. Look, check her out now. Let her survive. Check her out. Hope she survive. I hope all of them survive, really. He a little monster too though. Big head. See, y'all ain't seen him yet. That's his son. That's his daddy right there, you feel me? That's Al's son. That was off our last litter. Awesome. 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 I hit the DMs, man. Y'all trying to pick out which ones y'all want. Hit my DM at Yahchina. First come, first serve now. We located in Ocala, Florida. We can work some way out how we gonna get the puppy to you. Yeah, Ocala, Florida. Razor Edge. Their bloodline is Razor Edge, American Bully. Oh my, I'm in love with Jit. He gotta survive. You know, he got to survive. You feel me? Woo. Woo, woo. That's the thumbnail, you feel me? Oh. Let's see. This is my little dog right here though. Alright, look, check him out. Real soon though, I'm trying to get some of them tricolor bullies, man. Don't forget y'all to hit the DM.